Today we're going to be talking about leaks that come from your sunroof. Now most people tend to look on the outside of the sunroof, but I can show you in this video where the leaks might be coming from inside your sunroof in the cabin. Now you're looking at the sunroof with the headliner removed. To get the headliner off, that's the part on the ceiling above your head, you will need to remove some screws. I'm showing you where most of those screws are located, but I'm not going to actually take out any screws in this video. Now look at this center console. You might be curious as to how to take it off. You basically can just take your hand and pull a bit and it will come off. You can use a flathead screwdriver. There's some screws hidden inside there. You'll see them when you take this off. That's the driver's side. This rubber is on the sunroof. You could optionally take that off too. These parts are by the doors. There's some rubbers there. You can see where I'm pulling and it's coming off. Now this is a good example of where leaks are coming from. You can see the rust, and that black tube takes the water from the sunroof and puts it the frame of your truck down to the front wheel and lets out the water there. Now you can see on this side where the part where the tube normally rests was totally rusted out. You can normally get that welded back, but I didn't want to go through that whole process, so I put a tube there, and later I am going to put some epoxy on it. In another video I used some Flex Seal. That could probably also go there, although I don't know if Flex Seal would be thick enough to cover that whole area without putting multiple layers. There it is. The whole point of this video is that you might be getting leaks from your sunroof, but you don't realize it might be around your sunroof where there's lots of rust. Now on the top here you can see where your rack normally goes. Leaks can also come from this rack, and so what I showed you is where I put some epoxy there and also covered where the nuts are, because these areas tend to get a lot of water and it takes a while, but it will eventually rust and cause leaks.